Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Let's look at latest CorvusOS 16.6 official build running on Xiaomi POCO F1. Since I have already done detailed review on 16.5 builds, I will be checking the bugs and changes from previous build. Also, we will do benchmarking, performance and gaming test as well. Keep in mind that this is out of the box review. Before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. So to begin with, let's quickly get into about phone session and check the changes. Yes, the ROM does switch the kernel to pubgmobileindia from the previous builds. Everything else looks the same. Under security session, the ROM does has fingerprint, IR face unlock, app lock and more. All works great. The fingerprint and face unlock response time is better now. Out of the box, the ROM is encrypted. Another important feature missing with this ROM is notch hiding. Yes, the feature is totally missing from display settings as well as from developer options. Under battery settings, the ROM does includes thermal profiles and you can select them according to your need. When comes to QoS panel, the ROM does has FPS info but it is broken. Everything else including screen recorder works well. After enabling screen recorder, I didn't face any lags or jitters. The recent menu includes screenshot, clear all, kill app and share option as well. All works without any issues. When comes to dialer, the call recording feature is missing from here. You have to rely on third-party app for the purpose. Another important update about this ROM is safety net check. Yes, the safety net check passed out of the box as well as the Google Play protection is present, which is a great news for someone wants to use this ROM as daily driver. After setting gaming thermals, the Antutu scores 3,57,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 420 and multi-core 2073, which are decent scores for Snapdragon 845. The another important update is Google Assistant works from on-screen as well as from lock screen without any issues. So to understand more about performance, I am adding the CPU throttling test for 30 minutes. Yes, the gaming thermals are selected for CPU throttling. If you see the graph, the ROM did started with a standard processing speed, but going forward, the performance started dropping enormously. The ROM is also heated up after 15 minutes of usage, but not out of hand. Since the CPU test is over, let's do a gaming test. I will be playing a PUBG Bootcamp Hot Drop with Smooth plus Extreme settings. ADS and gyro will be always on. As an addition, screen recorder and FPS is enabled. While gaming is going on and I have already know the result, let's conclude the video. The ROM does a decent job with improving performance and bug fixes. Can be used as a daily driver but not for gaming. The ROM is capable of gaming, but for someone who does a rank push or hardcore gaming, it is not the build. Who plays moderate gaming, you can consider using this ROM as a daily driver. The ROM does heats up while playing more than 15 minutes and reduces performance. The balanced kernel might be the reason behind it. So overall, a great job by Corvus team, making this ROM almost bugless in my opinion. If you are using Corvus 16.5 unofficial or official without any doubt, you can consider upgrading into this version. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Nothing more, nothing less. Till next time, be safe and take care. Enjoy the gameplay with FPS and subscribe if you like my work.